Hey everyone, this is Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is December 3rd, 2019, making today a Tuesday. Today I'm gonna go over a few of the pairs that we are already trading. This is one of my accounts. Some of you are sending me a lot of messages on my Telegram. Irvin, can you show us some of your trades that you are on your account? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that if you want to. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification so you will be aware when we post free video. Another notification that you have to activate is the Forex USA group into your Facebook if you haven't done so yet. All right, and a quick disclaimer, guys, for those haters in there, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so that's what I'm here for. If you guys need a one-on-one session, please send me a private message. We can wrestle this together. And remember, guys, there's a small fee for that. If you want to be trained, it's up to you. If not, keep doing what you're doing and find success on your own. But it's super easy to use the triple arrow, but you must be a well educated. All right. Alright, so let's get to work and let's see and play this game together. Alright, look at here, guys. Here on the, actually, let me go and pull the EURUSD DKK. I sent this pair on the chat room. I think was this morning. I don't remember exactly when was it exactly, but I sent it in there and someone said Irvin is not ready. Trust me, guys, I do have a set of rules. If you do not have rules, this game will be very difficult for you. All right, so but look at here, I'm making some pips, right? But the question is why? Look at here, guys, look at who is here. Triple arrow. So what happened when the triple arrow shows up, especially bearish? Bam, the market drop. So whoever agree with me on selling this pair should be eating very well. Look at that. We're gonna count this pair, these pips together, guys, so we can see how many pips we are doing so far as of today. Remember, today is only Tuesday, guys, and this is one of my accounts. So I have 3 accounts, and this is one of them. So I mean, it is what it is. All right, let's guys, if you have any question, please drop that question below on the comment. I will also, for those that are new to the trip, they're new to the system, and you need the one-on-one session, please send me a message as well, so I can, if you want to be trained. Obviously there's a small fee if you want to do the one-on-one, but I think it's worth it because it's a lifetime skill that you're gonna learn with me. Look, straight up triple arrow, no indicator, nothing like that. It's just plain as it is. And look at here, you got 157 pips. This could be, you know, a couple $100 for you. I don't know how much money you have into your account, but I mean, it's very straightforward, guys. So if you haven't done it, I mean, if you need help, do that. If not, you keep doing what you're doing. Find success how you are doing it. So all I'm here is only to kind of like give you an idea of what we are doing as of today, which is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2019. All right, so again, I will be leaving the link below if you want to ask me a question. All right, here is another pair. This is the AUD-USD. I also send this one to the chat room and I say, hey guys, take a look at it. AUD-USD is going for a bullish market, and look at what it's doing. But the question is, where is the triple arrow? Well, if you say it's here, that's what it is. Look at that. Just follow the rules, guys. Follow the rules. If you don't have rules, you need to hire someone to teach you. We have live classes every day, but you need to be up to today. Look at here, we got 283 pips. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna say we have 157 first, right? So we're gonna add this. We're gonna say, all right, 283 pips. So far we have 440 pips. Remember, we're here to collect hundreds and hundreds of pips. So we're not here to play around, guys. Alright, so this is on H4. I'm using a lot of H4 this week. And someone, I also sent the EURUSD. And I also got another comment saying, hey Irvin, you should not be on EURUSD. Well. You do what you think is best. I just follow my rules. If my rule pays the bills, that's all it matters to me. But look at here, guys. I just entered this as a buy. It's a buy. So we have plus 4 pips. So we have 444 pips so far. Alright, so I mean, this is super easy, guys. I mean, I don't think you guys need to be killing yourself and funding a lot of stuff. But look at who's here. Look who's in control here. Look at Triple Arrow. Triple Arrow is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Look at that. Look at that. I'm aiming for retracement on the 61.8. Remember, this market is bearish. So I'm just aiming for a couple hundred pips here and then get up. Alright. Alright, so let's move on and see if you guys like the rest of the pips. There's some of them that are not making pips so far. I mean, but it's fine. I mean, I want to show you guys. Anyway, this is one of my accounts. I got 3, like I said. And this is okay. The other ones are winning as well. So, alright, so look at here. We got 63 more pips. So let's go ahead and add 63 more. Look at that. We got over 500 pips already. This is crazy, guys. Look at that. Now, look at who's in control here. Triple Arrow. Triple Arrow coming down. All you gotta do is follow the damn rules. And you make pips. That's all it is. That's all you gotta do. It's not that hard. But, again, if you want to be trained, send me a private message. If not, keep doing what you're doing. Either way, make me happy. Alright, so. Alright, let's move on to our next one. So you will see, I don't know if the USD, Mexico, the peso is doing well. I think it's bearish, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know if you, I think I sent this one too. And I got another comment from someone else. Says, Irvin, wait. Well, we're gonna judge this together. Because I really want you to be, you know, the one who judge in real time. Remember, we're over 500 pips already, so some of you struggle to get even 10 pips, guys. I mean, the game is super easy. All you gotta do is really follow the rules, and that's it. And remember, I love to use 4 hours. Sometimes I use daily. Those are my favorite ones. But I have a set of rules that pay the bills. So, I mean, that's what I do. So. Let me see what's going on here so you can really see it, guys. I really want you to pay attention. I think we are on negative here, 12 pips negative. Oof. But I don't know, for some reason the chart is acting up, but I guess the system don't want me to show you all the pips. But I think we are a couple hundred more, and but we're gonna give it a minute, guys. I'm gonna leave the link below if you haven't subscribed to the Triple Arrow system. So if you want to join us, I will be leaving the link below. It's super easy, guys. If you really want the one-on-one training, I'm here to help you. All right, look at who is here, guys. Look at who is here. Triple Arrow. Triple Arrow is pointing down. Bam. The system is working. I'm aiming to 78 to 100 Fibonacci. Why not? I'm aiming for that. Aiming very well. But remember that. Look at here. We got another 11 pips. We're going to add additional 11 pips. So far we have 518 pips. That easy, guys. This game is not hard. It's not hard. Just follow the damn rules and you're going to do well. That easy. Alright, let's go to USD NOK. I don't know. I think it's Norwegian, something like that, guys. Whatever that pair is. I just found a great setup in there, but I don't know if it's really paying the bills. But I mean, you're gonna see it. So make sure you click on the link below if you're not a Triple Arrow member, so you can see all the specials we have. I can give you $20 cash back if you join today. By the end of this Sunday, I'm willing to give you $20 back. Okay, look at here. We have 28 pips negative. So on this bad boy, I'm here as a sell. In my opinion, my setup still meet the rules. So I love it. So whatever you're doing on this one, keep doing what you're doing, but my setup still accurate. All right. So we're gonna do minus 518 minus 28 pips. All right. So let me go here and say 518 minus 28, guys, and you're gonna judge me. So we got what? You did the math already? Well, it's 490, guys. 490, still pretty good. Still pretty good. It's decent. Again, like I said, you know, today is only Tuesday, guys. I don't know how much we're gonna get, but the goal is to grab a couple hundred pips. And remember, this is one of my account, guys. If you can collect over 2, 3, or 5,000 pips, you know, a week, that's a beast, guys. It really is. So, I mean, that's what it is. So I don't know if you guys have any questions. If you do, go ahead and drop. Also, my private Telegram group is on the description. If you would really want to send me a private message directly to me, so I will answer any of your questions. All right. And remember, if you want the 101, do it. If not, do what you do best. I like to promote that because I see that a lot of you guys really need help, but some of you don't want to invest in yourself. In order for you to make money, you have to invest in yourself. That's what the key is, guys. But you must do it. All right, what's going on here? This pair is giving me. Let's go to GBP USD. It's kind of giving me an issue. Let's go to the Great Britain pound versus the New Zealand dollar. Oh gosh, I guess the system don't really want me to show you, but I think it's another 200-300 pips here, something like that. So I mean, it's a couple hundred more. But look at that, the GBP USD has 179 extra pips. This is down on 4 hours. For some reason, something is going on here, guys. I guess the system don't really want me to show you this stuff, but it's there. So we're gonna add additional plus 179. That brings us to 669 pips. I don't know how many pips are on our GBP NCD. Let me check my other computer, since this is acting up weird, and see if you guys like it. Let me see. I'm checking my other computer because this system is, for some reason, it's freezing up. GBP NCD. Come on. These people want to see you guys. Come on. Even my other computer is acting up too, guys. Well, I guess I'm gonna leave it in there, guys. I don't know what's going on here. The system is acting up slow, but it's about 800 pips, I think, altogether. All right, so thank you again, guys. And if you have any question, make sure you leave a comment below. Okay, take care.